What's up, guys? Welcome back to part 2 of the How to Earn Money with Crypto series. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, then you can find its link in the description below. So, in the previous video, we talked about 5 ways you can earn money with crypto. And in today's video, we will continue that trend and we'll try to cover more ways of earning money with crypto. Without wasting any time, let's get started. The number 1 method in today's video is cryptocurrency dividends. Did you know that you can buy cryptocurrencies, then keep them for a period of time in order to receive dividends on them? There are a few different cryptocurrencies that will provide you with a monetary reward for doing nothing more than purchasing and keeping their digital assets. These rewards can range from a few dollars to tens of thousands of dollars. The most attractive feature of these coins is the fact that owners receive a dividend without even being required to stake them, particularly in a wallet. This is the feature that gives them their name as the best thing about them. Some examples of coins that pay dividends include COSS, CEFF, NEO, and KuCoin. There are several other cryptocurrencies that fall into this category. However, it is also important to note that similar to traditional equity investments, your portfolio should not include every single one of these cryptocurrencies. Before you invest, you should learn as much as you can and do your own research. Crypto arbitrage. The cryptocurrency industry is generally unregulated, and as a consequence, there is a great deal of variety in terms of the value of assets, the price of products, and other related aspects. The majority of exchanges make their own decisions on the prices at which their assets are listed, which has helped bring about an avoidance of the volatility and liquidity difference between assets. When properly researched, one can make a killing off of these price variations by purchasing cryptocurrencies from inexpensive sources and selling them on exchanges that are priced too high. To a large extent, this is how arbitrage can be described. If you can do proper research in this area, you may be able to locate price spreads ranging anywhere from 5% to 30% across a number of different exchanges. Consider setting up accounts on a number of different sites and analyzing the pricing of various assets to identify any major price differences. Airdrops and forks. Token airdrops and other forms of free distribution are used to spread the word about new projects. Any exchange may conduct an airdrop in order to increase the number of users for a project. Being a part of an airdrop can get you a free coin that you can use to buy items, invest in, or trade with. A blockchain fork occurs when a protocol changes or improves, resulting in the creation of a new cryptocurrency. If you have coins on the original chain, you should be able to acquire free tokens on the new network. This implies you get a free coin since you were in the right position at the right moment. Play to earn crypto games. If you're wondering how to make money with cryptocurrencies, you might be shocked to hear that you can do it by participating in various online gaming activities. In point of fact, the market for play-to-earn cryptocurrency games is currently worth billions of dollars. There are a wide variety of game styles and formats available in this sector. Despite this, Decentraland is likely to turn out to be one of the most enjoyable crypto games for you to try. Faucets. With this method, you can earn free cryptocurrency by completing simple tasks, and then you can exchange those cryptos for money. So it's also a good way to earn some decent money through crypto. In this way, you can get free cryptocurrency tokens by doing simple tasks on faucet websites. There are a wide variety of options to choose from, each with their own set of requirements. As an example, completing CAPTCHAs is a requirement on several cryptocurrency faucet systems. Anybody can do this with no experience. Additionally, there are crypto faucets available in the form of a smartphone app. These require you to play recently released games and reward you with free cryptocurrency after you reach a particular level. So, now that you know 10 ways to make money using cryptocurrency, you may test out the ones that interest you and see what happens. Please let us know in the comments if you've tried any of these methods, or if you've found others to be more effective. See you in the next video. Until then, good luck earning!